Hello guys! Now today I'm going to talk about a topic I get asked about a lot, and it's called motivation. So lots of people come to me and say, hey, I'm feeling kind of lazy, I feel like I'm not getting my stuff done. Like, how do I make myself motivated? How do I find motivation? So let's start off first. Okay, now I promise I'm going to show you something in your chart that you can look at later, but let's get something straight right from the beginning. Now, motivation is not something that you find. It's not like, oh wait, there it is. It's like it's not about us finding the motivation. But I think what a lot of people need to understand is that, now you just watch me here right now. If I feel motivated, it's like feel motivated, but it doesn't mean that we are taking an action. And I think when people realize that usually when we're looking for motivation, it's because we kind of want to get some stuff done in our lives. And this is the reason why today's video is going to center on the planet Mars. Because Mars is the masculine planet of action. Let's get some stuff done. And so what I'm going to suggest is that if you look at how Mars operates, it's a competitive planet. It's like, let's aim for that prize and we're going to get it. So one of the things I invite you to think about is that if you're kind of not feeling so motivated in your life, that to shift your focus away from how do I feel motivated to what's a good price that I can aim for. Because you realize that every time in your life that you found yourself to be really motivated, there was always a prize waiting for you at the end. So what I'm going to suggest is take a look at your chart, locate the planet Mars, and you will notice that the house in which Mars is in gives some pretty good clues as to how you can structure your life so that you can operate in what some people call a motivated manner. So I'm just going to go through some of the examples here. Like for example, if you have Mars in the first house, it tells me that you are a very restless person. And usually people with Mars in the first house need instant action and instant gratification. So these people work really well when you set like short milestones and then you can sort of tick things off one by one, like yes, done it, And if you have Mars in the first house, that's what you want to go for. Now people with, say, Mars in the second house, tend to be very motivated by some kind of a physical reward. Now this can come in the form of, say, a financial prize. And this is great. If you tell yourself, okay, if I finish this project, I'm going to get paid $5,000. And there are people who can be motivated by that. And once you get your stuff done, $5,000 is yours. Right? So something like that. But the Mars in the second can also be very motivated by a physical prize. Like if I complete this project, I will buy myself a new computer. See? So then that's another way in which you motivate, because the project that you do has to deliver a result like that. Now, for example, if you have Mars in, say, the sixth house, and these people want to solve problems. And so it's like if you have Mars in the sixth, what you want to look for is something that really bugs you. It's like you're so irritated by it. And then you know that if you do this project, we will solve that problem, we will clean up this mess, and for them, it's a good motivation for them. Now, if you have Mars in the seventh is the house of partnership, of relationship. And often, people with Mars in the seventh, they work really well when there is somebody that you're working with. And it doesn't have to be a romantic partner, and it doesn't have to be a business partner. Sometimes this occurs when, say, you work really well with a client, and then we have this partnership where you are motivated because you don't want to let the other person down. And you know that you've made some promises to that person, and now you're motivated because I want to make sure I deliver what I've promised to that person. All right, and there are also people with, say, I'm just picking another one, say if Mars is in the 11th, that these people tend to work really well in teams. And similarly to when you had Mars in the 7th, the 11th is for a community. And often the result that you want to deliver is a benefit for the entire team. And these people are the, yeah, let's go team, that kind, And so these are just some of the examples I'm exploring in a chart. And you do want to pay attention to your own chart and see where Mars is. And I always recommend that don't go for the feeling of motivation, but use your Mars to structure your life. Give yourself a prize worth fighting for, and always establish that price so that you always get your stuff done in this pandemic time, okay? And if you're looking for a way to, okay, how can I get my ass off that couch and really, get some stuff going, I hope this has been useful to you. I love doing astrology videos that relates the chart to how we can improve ourselves, understand our psychology a lot better, and I tend to put videos out on a weekly basis. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the button to get notified about new content that comes out on my channel. So I'll see you guys in our next video.